Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rangga Abdullah Sisopandi. I am from class E and my NPM number is 252122111198. So, my why is why do I find it so difficult to understand grammar? I often ask myself, why do I find it so difficult to understand grammar? For me, grammar feels like one of the hardest parts of learning English. There are so many rules to remember, and sometimes the rules even have exceptions that make me so confused. For example, some tenses look similar but are used in different situations, and that can make me unsure about which one to use. I also think that English grammar is very different from my own language, so my brains need more time to get used to it. Sometimes I feel nervous when I try to speak or write in English because I'm afraid of using the wrong grammar. And for the another reason why I struggle with grammar is because I used to study it only by memorizing rules from the book. I didn't practice much, so the lesson didn't stay in my memory for long. When I tried to write or speak, I couldn't remember the rules anymore. It made me lose confidence, and I started to think that grammar was too hard for me. But now I realize it that the problem is not grammar itself, it's the way I learn it. So, to solve this problem, I decided to change my learning method. Instead of only memorizing, I try to learn grammar in more natural and practical way. I watch English movies with subtitles, read short stories or articles, and listen to songs or podcasts in English. By doing that, I can see how grammar works in real situations. It helps me understand the meaning and usage of each structure better. I also practice writing short sentence or daily journal in English. Sometimes I ask my teacher like Pak Ada Bilian, that's the teacher of contemporary English grammar, or my friends to correct my grammar mistakes, and I try to learn from them. I believe that making mistake is part of the learning process. The more I use grammar in real communication, the more comfortable I become. And now I try to be more patient with myself. Learning grammar takes time, and it's okay to be confused at first. I know that with consistent practice and a positive attitude, I can improve step by step. In the end, I believe grammar will no longer be something scary or difficult, but something that helps me express myself clearly and confidently in English. I think that's all my speech about my why to how I difficult to understand grammar. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.